Northern Wolf Kung Fu is a combat-level martial art taught at Imperial Combat Art School in Denver, Colorado. Wolf-style Kung Fu is a sub-style of Imperial Panther Kung Fu. Northern Wolf is a deadly and fearsome fighting style from the streets of Shanghai that specializes in group fighting tactics, low-realm combat, and ground fighting. Picture Wolf Kung Fu. Wolf is a vicious art with high-level striking, gripping, ripping, and tearing techniques that can kill with the hand. Northern Wolf Kung Fu fights from low lunge positions that moves throughout multiple opponents, both in a straight line and in circles. This low-realm running uses fast leg work and leaping, with one hand momentarily on the ground at times. From this dynamic low-realm maneuvering system, Wolf Kung Fu masters scissor-style throws, kicks, reaps, and sweeps primarily either for breaking the leg and, or bringing opponents to the ground for Wolf's ground fighting, strikes, and chin-gnaw attacks. Training Wolf Kung Fu. To master Northern Wolf Kung Fu, one must develop the highest levels of hand toughening, leg toughening, and body conditioning. There are numerous challenging exercises that demand tremendous leg endurance. There are also numerous sets trained for strikes, kicks, throws, and chin-gnaw, and of course matching. Wolf also trains drills for combat. These drills make use of the usual martial arts mitts and bags, as well as traditional and modern, custom-made devices. Wolf toughening. Wolf Kung Fu masters at Imperial Combat Arts demonstrate the highest levels of hand toughening to meet the demands of true combat, far from wrapping the hands and wearing boxing gloves for sport. The powerful full-body kicking attacks used in Wolf Kung Fu require years of toughening to master, with the ability to kick through bats and bricks. Unlike a technique, bone and joint toughening takes years to master. There is no rushing it, and if done improperly, the hands or legs can be permanently damaged.